baby bus!
Good night, baby egg. In the chicken coop on the farm, Mother Hen was laying a baby egg. It seemed to be a big and beautiful egg.
Oh, my baby egg, I'm sure you will be a great chicken.
However, the baby egg didn't want to be a chicken himself. Actually, he was way more ambitious.
How can a great baby egg just turn into a little chicken? I don't want to be a chicken at all!
The baby egg kept rolling in the chicken coop. Mother Hen was not used to that and wondered what went wrong.
Oh, my baby egg. Cluck, 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 cluck. Be patient. When you hatch out, we will have a lot of fun together.
Baby egg didn't listen to his mom at all. He kept rolling around. Mother Hen was trembling and itching all over. She clapped her wings and kept clucking.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. Oh, please. Oh, cluck, cluck. No, behave yourself, please.
Suddenly, Mother Hen lost balance and happened to roll out of the chicken coop. Baby egg rolled down as well. Mother Hen walked over in a hurry and asked Baby Egg,
Are you okay? Let's go back home.
No! I don't want to go home. I don't want to be a chicken.
Baby Egg kept rolling.
I want to be a peacock. I want to be an ostrich. I want to be a super dinosaur.
You're a chicken egg, so you can only become a chicken. Stay quiet by my side, and I'm sure you'll become a great chicken.
No. I want to be a super dinosaur.
Baby Egg rolled into the grass. A frog was catching insects in the grass. He rolled out his tongue.
Ribbit. Wow! That's amazing! What a big round guy!
The frog whispered to himself.
Ribbit. I can have a great meal today.
Baby Egg heard that the frog wanted to eat him. He started rolling again. He rolled and rolled and rolled all the way until he no longer knew where he was. When he stopped, he found himself in front of a river. Glug, glug, glug. A big dinosaur was drinking by the river.
I need to drink more and drink faster. That would be great for the incubation of babies. They will definitely become the most powerful dinosaurs in the world.
Oh my goodness! Dinosaur!
Baby Egg was excited when he saw the big dinosaur. He rolled out of the grass immediately.
Big dinosaur! Can you put me together with your babies? I want to be a super dinosaur as well!
Big Dinosaur was shocked at first. Then she smiled.
Oh, where did this little baby egg come from? You are a chicken egg, and you will become a chicken afterward. But, well, I can take you back for my babies. They must like egg pancakes.
Big Dinosaur caught the baby egg and put him in a small cage. At night, Baby Egg was locked in the cage. It was dark all around. The wind was blowing. It was cold. Baby Egg began to miss his mother and his home, the chicken coop.
Ah, I miss Mom! I don't want to be a dinosaur anymore! Ah!
Coincidentally, a fox sneaked into the dinosaur's house. Seeing the baby egg in the cage, he was very happy.
Wow! I'm so lucky today. I haven't eaten eggs for such a long time. Today I can have an omelet.
The fox bit through the cage and put the scared baby egg into his pocket. Now Baby Egg in the pocket was very regretful.
Ah! Ah! Mom! Where is Mom?
Baby Egg was crying and rolling inside the pocket. He was lucky enough to find a small hole in the pocket. So he kept rolling there until the small hole became a big one, and finally he got out of the pocket through that big hole. Once Baby Egg rolled onto the grass again, he saw his mother yelling and looking for him everywhere.
Baby Egg! Baby Egg! Has anyone seen my baby egg?
Mom, I'm here!
Baby Egg rolled over all the way toward his mom.
Your company is the warmest and safest of all. Mom, I love you!
In the evening, Baby Egg slept in the warm chicken coop and had a beautiful dream. Good night, Baby Egg. Good night, friends.